Are you struggling to generate leads with your YouTube channel that actually turn into paying clients? Well, I have good news for you, because in today's video, I'm going to cover 5 steps for creating lead magnets that not only attract the clients to you, but convert those clients into paying customers. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Okay, before we get into the 5 steps, I want to first make sure we're on the same page about what a lead magnet is. So what exactly is a lead magnet? In simple terms, it's a free resource that you provide to your audience in return for their email address. Now, we've all seen the basic lead magnets, ebooks, checklists, templates, recipes, those sorts of things. But on YouTube, a lead magnet is so much more than just a freebie. It's about providing value that taps into the pain points of your viewers, of your audience, of your clients, and provides them with expertise and advice on how to overcome that challenge in order to nurture that relationship in order for your business to grow. The first step in creating a solid lead magnet is understanding what your audience's pain points are. What keeps them up at night? What stresses them out? What are they struggling with? And how they can overcome that. But there's a key ingredient here that most people don't talk about. We're not just talking about surface level problems. We're not just talking about broad ideas like how to get more views on YouTube, saying that's a pain point of my audience, how to get more views on YouTube. No, we're going deeper than that. What is behind that, how to get more views on YouTube? What is the deeper emotional trigger, the emotional pain that they're facing with regards to growing on YouTube? For example, maybe they're really overwhelmed with the tech on YouTube and they feel like they just can't figure it out. So then they can't grow their channel because they don't even know how to get started with YouTube. Or maybe they don't know what content to create. They don't know who their niche is. They're struggling with understanding the most basic elements in order to grow their channel. So we have to go deeper than the idea of like, I want more subscribers. Okay, what is the real problem? What is the problem that's really causing them to want more subscribers or to not get those subscribers that they want? We must dig deeper than surface level. And once you know these deeper pain points, your lead magnet can connect with them on a deeper emotional level. And they will feel like, they get me. They understand me. And that moment of when someone is like, they get me, they understand me, builds trust, builds your authority. You get them, you understand. You are building trust with them. And that makes the lead magnet a gazillion more times impactful and effective than just a checklist of things to do. Step number 2, your lead magnet should deliver a quick win for your clients or your audience. Your lead magnet should solve a problem that your audience is facing right now and that your audience faces often and that you hear multiple times in your comments or in your emails or through feedback from your YouTube channel, wherever you hear feedback from your clients or talking to them in person on consulting calls, on free calls, whatever it is. What is that common problem that they're facing? And how can you give them a quick win to solving that problem? How can you address that problem with maybe a mini course, an ebook, a template, a workbook, something like that? But that the result of them doing that, reading that, filling out that form, filling out that workbook, gets them a quick win. Gets them that, this is what I was doing wrong. This is what I was missing. So you want to create something that can immediately solve their problems. And this approach will position you as the authority. You as someone with expertise that knows how to help them quickly and get them where they want to go fast. And thus, they will remember you. And thus, they will keep coming back to you because you help them get from point A to point B very quickly. Step number 3, you want to build your lead magnet into your content strategy. Your lead magnet should not just be a one and done, a wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. It should be something that you can weave into a lot of your content so that you mention it often. And so that people are aware of this freebie. They're aware of this thing that can help them. And they're aware of your ability to help them. That's really important. So when you think about planning your content, think about how you can weave in your lead magnet into that content so that you can help people as quickly as possible. You want your lead magnet to be the next logical step after watching your content on YouTube. You want it to be that next action they take to get to where they want to go. And the more you nurture your relationship with your audience by providing tons of value in your video, will help them to realize maybe they should grab that lead magnet from you because your content is so great, So that lead magnet must be great as well. Step number 4, obvious thing, but oftentimes we forget it, is we need to post a link to our lead magnet in the description of our video, maybe in the description of our channel, maybe on social media posts we do, but you need to actually post a link to the lead magnet so that people can grab that lead magnet. Easy enough, right? But oftentimes we forget it in our hustle and bustle of uploading videos, making posts on YouTube, making posts on a community post, wherever you're doing. Sometimes that gets forgotten. That's why I'm mentioning it here. And step number 5, it's obvious, but I need to say it anyway, is drive traffic to that lead magnet. So when you make a video and it's talking about that topic, about how to grow your channel and how to get more subscribers, and you have that lead magnet walking them step by step through how to do that, after that video or within that video, you need to mention that you have this lead magnet, that you have this workbook to getting your first 1,000 subscribers, that you have this ebook to help people get to their first 100 subscribers, whatever it is, but you need to mention it. You need to share it. You need to tell them about it and make a call to action in your videos so that they actually do click on it and grab it. And you need to make it very clear on where they can find it. Don't make it confusing. If you mention that lead magnet in your video, put it at the very top of your description box. First have a description about your video, maybe one sentence with some keywords in it, and then right after that, have that link to that lead magnet. So it's not hard to find. Don't bury it in your description at the bottom of your description after you've had, chapters and long description about your video and affiliate links and all this stuff. No, make it very easy to find so that people will actually click on it. So those are 5 quick steps to get clients in your door from your lead magnet. And speaking of lead magnets, I have created one for you that is a master plan on how to create content that generates leads for your YouTube business and converts those into clients. So if you're interested in grabbing that, it's in the description below. And so you can see exactly how this process works. Now you can go look at the description below and see where I have located that link in my video. So that'll give you a structured outline of where you should place your link as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.